Sorry friends for such a late upload. My today's video is on this upcycle project. I have done Madhubani painting on a plastic plate and just made it beautiful with bright colors, so you can try out this painting. Hi, I'm Shobori from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then please do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. I have used a plastic plate and I will be upcycling that. So at first we will make the chalk paint. So take a cup and add 1 tablespoon of plaster of Paris to it. We will be adding some acrylic paint to it. So I have added 2 tablespoons of acrylic paint. I have used the teal color, or you can also use any other color of your choice. We will stir the mixture properly and then we will be adding little bit of water for getting a free flowing consistency. And when the paint is ready, we will start painting on our object. At first we are painting the background with the chalk paint. We will let it dry and then add 1 or 2 layers of chalk paint again and let it dry completely. So we are adding another layer, as I said earlier. So we will let our work to dry out completely and then we will start painting. I have already made the outline of the Madhubani art and now I am just doing the painting on it. The painting and the coloring is based on your choice, your imagination, so you can paint it accordingly. You can see how beautifully and easily I am doing the painting. Madhubani art is really easy and it is really pretty. So you can just try it out, and you can also do your upcycle project on a plastic plate or a glass plate or a fabric or on anything or a bottle. Just use your old stuffs and do your painting and create magic. So I'm continuing my painting and I will meet you at the end of my painting. So till then you can watch the painting and you can try out your own too. My painting is nearly done. You can see I have made very beautiful detailings to the painting. If you make this same art and if you want to share your art with me, then you can just message me in Instagram handle Hooked in Loops. Just follow my Instagram handle and you can chat with me. I will just love to chat with you. I hope you liked this tutorial and you liked this concept of upcycling. It's many people love doing upcycling with their old stuffs. You can also do it. You instead of throwing away your old works, you can always upcycle your objects and create magic like this. I have made this beautiful painting and this is really going to be in my living room and it will enhance my cozy corner. So if you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. Thank you and have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.